he's like, no. And he said, okay, you come on. And he's like, then the other guy's like, I'll grab her jaw. And then he said, get on my back. And he said, nope, I'm gonna die. It was so.
So what's going on today? You know, I've been having the hankering for fried chicken wings for weeks now. You know, it's good to get them at the store, but I've been wanting to make some. So I've been thinking about getting one of these oilless fryers for like $100. I don't know if I want to put that money into it. I mean, I've got some friends that have it. It says it's super convenient. But today, I just realized I have the Big Easy oilless fryer that I use to cook my Thanksgiving turkeys. So today, we're gonna go ahead and do the first round of oilless fried chicken wings in the Big Easy oven. Just got her right here, gonna get her hooked up to the propane and go get our chicken ready. I tell you what, I really felt like a dummy realizing that we've had this fryer all this time. I think I got it as a Father's Day gift or maybe Thanksgiving gift a year or two ago. I've used it twice. Makes awesome turkeys, but never have done chicken wings with it. So we just have, you know, regular old Tyson chicken wings. Now I'm not gonna season these. I like a dry rub. I'm not trying to make them saucy. And I'm gonna do the seasoning after I cook it. So we've got a rack here. And I think this is like a little leg rack deal. So we're gonna go ahead and get that assembled up. I'm just gonna do these whole. I'm not gonna break them up or anything. So I'm just gonna lay them kind of open so we get a lot of surface area on here. I think in this rack there is, what, 20 full wings? So that's like the same as 40 wings at the store. Cost me 10 bucks. 40 wings for 10 bucks. That's a good deal. See if we can get these things. I don't want them really touching at all, but I am going to overlap just a little on the tips. It should be okay. And then we've got this little rack system, which I believe hangs up on the top. Yeah. And we're going to just kind of hang the wings in here by the knuckles, like this. Kind of knuckle it up. Knuckle your wings to, wow, yeah, really got enough room for maybe more than that. I'll spread them out a little bit here. Get that even cooking. So it's looking pretty good. I'll spread that out one more. And then, so here we got a great tower of chicken ready for the Big Easy. I think you could do more. I mean, this is what, 8, 12 of the wings, so I guess it's a total of 24. You could probably do double that, but let's go ahead and get this in the Big Easy. All right, the grill has preheated now for about 10 minutes. It gets hot really quick, so we're gonna go ahead and get these chicken wings out there and then probably let them sit for about a half hour. Keep an eye on them with the thermometer and just have some fun. Taking our wings on a walk. Walk your wings. This is a pretty handy way to carry them around here. So, got our wings, got our Big Easy. It is hot, 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 and I can feel the heat standing right back over here. You can hear it sizzling as we put it in. So that's it. We've got a cover with a cover on it. Obviously that cover is going to be hot once we let it sit for just a couple minutes. So we'll check back in here in a little while. Alright, so I got my timer going on the phone for a half hour. We're 15 minutes in, so we're just going to get a little peek and see how they're coming along. I don't expect them to be too cooked, but just to give you an idea what 15 minutes in the Big Easy is going to do for these chicken wings. Getting a little color to them, not much. Cooking nicely, bottom ones look about the same, so we got even cooking, and yeah, we'll check back in. So we're 32 minutes deep into the Big Easy for these chicken wings, and we're starting to get a nice smell from them. And I was walking outside around the corner and you can smell some delicious cooking chicken. Let's take a look at them. They're definitely not done yet. I didn't expect them to be, but just time wise, you know, we're about 32 minutes now. I'll take a look at them here. They're looking pretty. The skin is starting to bubble and crisp up a bit. The bottom ones are looking pretty good. So I mean, with what I'm seeing, I think probably about another 15 minutes or so. You know, I definitely want these to be golden brown. I'm going for more of the crispy side of these. We're gonna obviously do a temperature check on them, but I'm also gonna do color because I really want these wings like nice and brown and like looking beautiful. So hopefully we can get that, and we'll just keep an eye on them, check them every 3 or 4 minutes now so we don't overcook them, but I think we're gonna be safe till probably at least 45 minutes. So check back in here in a bit. So at 45 minutes in, I think we're done. They definitely look crispy. I'm sure they've come to temperature. I threw a kielbasa on here. So at 45 minutes in, everything's looking great. We got crispiness, we got color. I'm sure they're at temperature. They're super hot. Everything's nice and bubbled up and crispy. I threw a kielbasa on top just for a little extra something tonight for dinner. So let's go ahead, pull these off, and we will season them up. All right, so 47 minutes cooking on the Big Easy. Wings are super crispy, knocked them out of the park. Did not have to get that oilless fryer that I was looking at for 100 bucks. Use the Big Easy, we're good. These things look awesome. We're gonna use that Himalayan sauce on it. Not even sauce, the Himalayan dry rub. Dry rub wings, they're gonna be delicious. Let's get them seasoned. What do you think, Abigail? They look good? You can eat some chicken wings?
You see them?
You can eat chicken wings?
Yeah.
You can help me season them?
Bye-bye.
All right.
Ow.
What do we got there, Sethi?
Handball. So Abigail can squeeze.
What is that?
Careful.
It is chicken.
Got chicken? What do you guys think?
Yum, delicious. Yes, sir.
Who put their fingers all over the lens?
Not me. Okay, it's our turn. It's alright over here.
Just shaking your sauce in there. Here we go. I'll hold them. These are looking good. Dry wings. Shake them up. Can I get a little more sauce? A little more seasoning?
It's not sauce. I'll do it.
All
Is that
right. Yep, looks like it's good.
I got it.
All right, let's have a little taste test.
That's the ow hot.
Is it hot?
Are you scared? How do you bite it?
Just take a big bite.
Don't bite the bone.
And make sure you bite the
Is it good? It's good? You want to try some, mister?
No!
So the wings came out good.
After we
Got
eat
them
all
seasoned
the
up.
beds and everything. So then we can put our pajamas on.
The kids don't want to give them a bite, but I will.
Ew.
And guess what? Alex,
Those are awesome.
dinner cooked for us.
Can I
Don't
try?
worry about it.
I didn't say a word the first.
So the Big Easy for these chicken wings, piece of cake, 45 minutes. Don't need the oilless fryer. Cook your turkeys for Thanksgiving, and they come out delicious. We'll check you out next time.